Binding your documents is easy with the Fellows family of binding machines. To get started, select the comb size you'll need for your binding project. The comb size depends on the number of sheets you'll be binding. For example, a 3/4 inch comb can bind up to 150 sheets. Check your comb packaging and the integrated document measuring guide on your binding machine to help determine your comb size. Next, choose your binding cover. You'll need a back and front cover. Fellows offers several sizes and styles. Select the one that best suits the look of the document you're binding. Now, it's time to bind. Be sure the binding lever is pushed back. Place the binding comb into the binding teeth, making sure that the spine of the comb faces away from you and the unattached comb prongs are facing up. Pull the binding lever forward to open the comb prongs. Line up your front and back cover to be punched first. Using the edge guide, choose your type of cover, either letter or oversized. Punch the front and back cover, and then place the front cover onto the open combs, aligning the holes of your punched front cover with the open prongs. Repeat that process with your document, punching the sheets and adding them to the open comb. When you've completed punching your document, slide the back cover onto the comb. Reverse the lever and close the comb prongs. You now have a professional-looking bound document. Need to make changes to your document? No problem. It's easy to update. With the comb lever pushed back, just place the completed document on the binding teeth, making sure the spine is facing away from you and the unattached comb prongs are facing up. Now pull the lever toward you to open the comb prongs, and you're ready to add or replace any part of your document. Reverse the lever to close the comb, and your document is ready to go. To empty the clip drawer after your documents are complete, simply slide the drawer out, empty the clips, and replace the drawer for your next project. For high volume binding, consider using one of our Galaxy models. Save time with the unique removable binding system, which allows 2 people to work at once for greater productivity. For more tips and to find the binding user manual for your model, visit www.fellows.com.